And we are back with the wrap-up. Wrapping up this video, I have a few points that I need to talk about. So let's say that you want something a bit more meaty and you can add a bit more pancetta or bacon. But in my opinion, I would keep it the way it is because it's got everything you need in order to keep you going on a busy day. You have avocado, you have eggs, you have protein, you have carbohydrates, you have everything you need. I don't know why some people are so afraid of poaching eggs because actually it's such an easy process. All you have to do is just getting the right quantities of water and vinegar, and then once you get that right, it's just get that whirlpool going, get the eggs into the middle, and they will set, and after 3-4 minutes they'll be good to go into the icy water. Keep them there for another 2 minutes or so, 2-3 minutes, and once they completely cool down, you can get them out, put them on a paper towel. You can put more than one egg. I've seen videos with people putting one egg into the boiling water. Actually, by the way, you don't have to boil the water. All you have to do is just bring it to the simmer, because if you boil it, all your egg is gonna go all over the place. That was Kitchen Draft for today. That was the breakfast video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because we are still in this mission to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Food brings people together, and I know we are going through some tough times worldwide. And if you're at home with your friends and your family, cook for them, enjoy the cooking, stay at home. Don't go to the restaurants because we're gonna have enough time to go to the restaurants after that. But till then, all the best.